Hello everybody! For today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you all how to make a super easy 1-minute chocolate ramekin brownie straight out of your microwave. This is a super easy dessert for those who have a sudden craving for anything chocolate related. Here are the ingredients needed to make this dessert. 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, splash of vanilla extract, non-stick baking spray, and a ramekin dish. So let's get started. Here I'm using a Pyrex measuring bowl, but you can go ahead and use any mixing bowl that you may have. Then, add to the bowl all the dry ingredients first, which include the flour, brown sugar, cocoa powder, and give it a good mix until everything is broken up and incorporated well. Now add the wet ingredients, which include the oil, milk, vanilla extract, and mix together very well. You will be left with a very thick chocolate brownie batter consistency. Then, take your ramekin dish and lightly spray it with some non-stick baking spray. After that, take a spatula to help scrape all the batter out from the bowl and into the ramekin dish. Lightly tap it down to get any air bubbles out. Then, transfer it into a microwave and bake it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, your chocolate ramekin brownie is ready. You may eat it straight out of the dish, or if you want to make it a little fancy, flip it over onto a plate and garnish it with some powdered sugar and a mint leaf. Enjoy and thank you so much for watching. Can't wait for you all to give this super easy delicious recipe a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.